Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play in tournaments on Pokerstars for real money. So go down here and log into your Pokerstars account on computer. This is the desktop app, and then all the way over, it sort of defaults to the cash game section, but you want to go over to this tab, the tourney tab. This is tournaments, and then from there, and also make sure that you're actually playing for real money instead of play money in there. And what you can do is go to game. And most likely you're going to want to play No Limit Texas Hold'em because that is the standard game in poker. But you can actually go to all games and even play mixed games, 8-game horse, whatever. There's even tournaments running right now for horse. So I would suggest going to No Limit Hold'em, selecting that. Click out of there. The buy-in, you can either play in free rolls. You've got a couple different free roll options there. Free tournaments with probably satellites or prize pools. From there, you can go to micro stakes, a very, very small stakes buy-ins. Low stakes are $5 to $19, medium stakes $20 up to $99, high stakes $100 plus. So I'm going to go to the micro stakes section. Actually, let's go to the free roll section and see what's happening. So to actually enter and register into a tournament, it's the exact same whether it's a free roll or one of the different actual paying stakes. Also as well, you should go to table size. You can either play a heads-up 2-player tournament, 3 to 6 player max, 7 to 10 players max. The speed right here as well. You've got slow, regular, turbo, hyper turbo. This just means that the blinds will go up faster or slower depending on, if it's a hyper turbo, the blinds will go up very, very fast. The time limit on the blind increases are very, very fast versus slow is very, very slow, obviously. From there, format and type, you've got a lot of different options in here, but for the free rolls, the two tournaments that are running at the moment or that you can register for are regular. I would just go into there, and what you can do if you want to register for this tournament and everything looks good, you can see all the different the total prize pool. First place $1,000, $500. You can go register. For this, you actually do need tickets to enter this tournament. You need new player challenges, free roll, 7 days. And unfortunately, we don't have any tickets at the moment, but if you did have tickets, that's how you would enter. You'd press the register, and then you'd be given a seat with all of these other players in the tournament and with the chance to win these different places. So let's click out of there. Let's go on to micro stakes. There's women's tournaments here. So let's go to this one. There's a Bounty Builder Turbo $200 guarantee on demand, and there's 159 people that are currently enrolled in that tournament. The cost right here, the buy-in, is $1.10, and this is basically the format of the game. It's eight players at a table as well. No Limit Texas Hold'em, and it's currently running. When it says a tournament is late reg, 29 minutes, that basically means that you can register for this tournament for the next 29 minutes. When you go into this one, as it says running, and it doesn't have late registration on, that means that you can't actually register for this tournament anymore. Registration has passed, but you can play a similar game by pressing this button. You've got so many more details here within the tournament, like tables. You can actually observe some of the tables right now and see the different the different plays that are going on. You can go to chip graph and see how people are doing. The different structure as well, the prize award structure, how much people are getting for finishing high in the tournament, the blind structure. I'm going to exit out of here, go to this one that is late reg. This is a Bounty Builder, $11, $1.10, No Limit Hold'em, Turbo Deep, 8 seats guaranteed. So in this one, if you wanted to actually register for this tournament, actually play in there, you press the green button, and then it's going to take you through the steps, take the money from your account, which would be, in this case, $1.10 that we can see right here, and then you would be entered into one of the tables and start playing in this tournament. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Thanks.